Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so you don't waste time later. First, make sure Shopify Payments is active and your store's country supports Apple Pay. This is why transactions won't appear otherwise. Next, confirm your primary domain is HTTPS and listed in online store domains because Apple requires a secure domain. Once done, open Settings Payments, click Manage under Shopify Payments, and enable Apple Pay so the Apple Pay button becomes available at checkout. Now you'll complete the middle steps that often block Apple Pay. Go to Settings Payments and confirm the Payment Request button is enabled. This controls the on-page Apple Pay prompt. Make sure your Shopify theme supports payment request buttons. Switch to a compatible theme if needed. If Shopify requests domain verification, upload the Apple Developer Domain Association file to your store's well-known folder and verify it. Then test in Safari on a device with a saved card to confirm the button appears at checkout. Finish by validating the live experience and troubleshooting common glitches. Clear Safari cache, disable extensions or ad blockers, and retest in private mode because cache scripts can hide the button. Also double-check currency, shipping zones, and required checkout fields since Apple Pay hides for unsupported combinations. If Apple Pay still doesn't show, gather screenshots, a test device recording, and your payment logs. Then contact Shopify support so they can inspect account level or domain verification issues. That single ticket often resolves hidden configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.